anybody who can add value in the business of the buying agencies and exporters are welcome in the room.
Yeah. Okay.
So, Ajay, we have the maximum strength today. 37 people signed up.
Oh, wow. Good.
So you are a popular person, actually.
Yeah.
Good. We have exciting sessions. Yeah, we have exciting sessions. Sorry, Mike, go ahead.
I said, let's see if I can beat that tomorrow. I think there should be a bit of a competition between Ajay
Oh,
and
yes.
myself.
I love competition. Exactly.
This is not a subject to compete. This is a subject to add more people, as many as we can.
Yes, better together.
We need to see who's going to buy for the beers when I come to Delhi, Ajay.
Absolutely. That we should compete for. You're saying we're going to compete for 37 beers versus how many?
Well, I think we're going to have probably about 60 or 70 tomorrow.
Oh, wow.
And let me share the Facebook statistics. People reach is 27,143 people.
Well,
Post engagement is 1,761. All right. So we have exciting speakers coming. Tomorrow is Mike. Day after, I think, is Bhavna. Then we have Neeta. Bhavna has a very interesting take on how do you work with big buying agencies. Bhavna is going to
21st.
I may be confused with date, but let me announce what is coming.
Yeah.
Lokesh, Naveen Gupta is also interested.
Sorry?
Naveen Gupta is also interested to make a presentation for us.
They all have to sign up to the Bhavna team.
Okay.
We have May 2nd onwards the dates for presentations now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Naveen ji, so contact Bhavna, please.
Okay. Noted, sir.
And be ready. That presentation is actually as if you are participating in an international trade fair and there are 15 buyers standing at your booth. That kind of presentation, that kind of power you should have in your commission you have when you are presenting the business in this forum. Am I right, Ajay?
Absolutely.
So please do take the full advantage. We will have the promos almost 7 to 10 days sent to you with the link to the webinar, with the link to the Facebook page. You should reach out to N number of person whom you think is my customer tomorrow or my friends who can refer to me. And you should, if I am at your place, I would be reaching out to all the buyers in my directory for the last 10 years or 7 years, whatever time I've worked with, to sign them up and say, this is my time and I am still working. It's a lockdown factory, but I am looking for business and I'm coming live here and telling you what I can do for you.
Hi, Lokesh.
Welcome back, sir. Welcome. So where's my introduction volunteer? Who wants to be a volunteer introduction? Like introduction volunteer? Let me put it another way.
I can be one.
Deepali, you want to one?
Yeah.
Sure. Most welcome. I think we have 8:15. Let's start.
Okay. So I just have to announce the names and then they will
Yes,
continue with the
I will now mute everybody.
Okay.
And all of them have to unmute. When you speak the name, they will unmute and then mute again. Deepali, you have to unmute yourself again because I muted you.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Yeah.
So
So
everybody.
I'm seeing the participant list and I just have to announce the names from there, right?
Yes.
Okay. Sure. Okay. So we'll go with Advocate Vishal Garg first.
Yes. Hello, everybody. I'm Vishal Garg, a legal consultant advocate, running my law firm with the name Vishal Garg and Law Offices. I am taking care of civil, criminal, and matrimonial matters from District Court to Supreme Court in Delhi and NCR. Thank you.
Next is Ajay Abrol. Ajay, are you there?
Ajay, you're muted maybe. Carry on. We'll come back. Yeah.
Give me a minute. Okay. So my name is Ajay Abrol. I represent UA Consultants. We are buying agents with primary focus in the US. We have our offices here in India, in Faridabad, as well as in the USA. Our primary line of product is lifestyle products. We do very little of apparel, but everything else is welcome. I'm also part of the FBA as the General Secretary, and I welcome you all to the session as we are conducting. Thank you.
Thank you, Ajay. We'll go with Punita Kalra next. Punita, hi.
Hello.
You're muted. Yeah, go on.
Okay, this is Punita Kalra, co-founder of Legion Singh. It's a buying office based in Delhi, and we are dealing in multi-products like apparels, home textiles, footwear, garments, and also home decor.
Okay, thank you, Punita.
Thanks.
Abhiram,
Yes, Punita, you said something?
No, I just said thanks. That's it.
Yeah. So Deepali, hold on. Guys, you should be able to speak up right now when you think that Punita is of my interest as an exporter or as a fellow buying agent, or an exporter can also about another exporter to be in the room after the breakout session, because then people tend to forget and then everybody goes back. You should say now that I need a breakout session with Punita. Punita says yes, we will note it down. At end of the session, we'll do it. Go ahead, Deepali.
okay. Next is Abhiram. Abhiram, can you introduce yourself?
I am Abhiram Agarwal, and I am from Masterpiece Jewelry. We are the manufacturer of sterling silver and gemstone jewelry from Jaipur. We also manufacture gold jewelry as well. My colleague Mayank Goyal has asked me to join this seminar. We are exporting to Europe, US, and many TV channels worldwide. Thank you.
Okay, great. Next is Anika Pasi.
Hi everyone, my name is Anika. I look after the office for a New Zealand retailer. So based in Delhi, I look after.
Anika, we can't hear you. Yeah. Anika, we lost you. Next one.
Okay, Bhavna.
Okay, never mind.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, Anika. Yes, go ahead, Anika.
You can continue.
I think the network is a little.
Go ahead,
Hi,
Anika. It's
everyone.
all right. Yeah.
All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Anika. I look after the office of a New Zealand retailer. So based out of Delhi, but I look after South Asia. So Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Indonesia. And this retailer is into lifestyle products. So everything from apparel to soft home, hard home. Lovely meeting everyone.
Thank you, Anika. Next is Bhavna. Bhavna Singh.
Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Bhavna Singh, and I represent Buying House, Ishan Virendra Fashions Private Limited. I'm dealing to fashion apparels, accessories, and jewelry. I'm also a part of Federation of Buying Agents governing body, and also associated with International Transport Lawyers Agency called Recoupex as Business Development Manager. Thank you.
So Recoupex is your cargo damage consultant, where you get your cargo damage. You don't have to go to insurance or you to lawyers. Come to Recoupex.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Next is Neeta Aneja.
Yes, hi, this is Neeta, and I have a buying agency called Trends International. We primarily work with US, France, Russia, Ukraine, and few other countries in product categories like apparel, home furnishing, textiles, handicrafts, accessories, etc. And I'm also a governing body member of FBA, and I'm also a volunteer with FBA COVID Warrior Team. Thank you.
Wow, that's good. We'll go with Feroz Kamal. Feroz, are you there?
Next, please.
Himanshu Jain.
Good evening, everyone. So I am Himanshu Jain from the JJ versus Panipat. We are the manufacturer and exporter of the soft home furnishing. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. We'll go with Kapil Grover.
Hi everyone, my name is Kapil Grover. and I'm owner of the company Omega Merchandising. It's a buying house. Our main product is floor coverings, and we are doing also other kind of products like furniture and some candlelight holders. And my company is based in Panipat, and we are doing
yeah, go ahead, Kapil, go ahead.
And we are serving like we represent buyer from every country, many
Me
countries.
and Kapil actually are sitting in one room. You can see the backdrop.
Sorry?
You and me are sitting in one room, and they can see the backdrop, the same backdrop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Thanks, Kapil. Next is Manu Singhal. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello. Yeah. Hi, everyone. This is Manu Singhal from RK Singhal Exports, Muradabad. We are into manufacturing of bathroom accessories, furniture, wall mirrors, and recently, for the last couple of years, we have been doing cane items also. Like cane, we are doing furniture, wall decor items, and office accessories in cane. So we have started specializing in cane items for the last couple of years. Thank you.
Thank you. Next is Anil Natlekar. Anil, are you there?
Maybe next one.
Mayank Goyal, PP Mats.
Hi, I am Mayank Goyal, and we are the manufacturers of PP mats, polypropylene mats. These mats are also used for the relief and for UNHCR and many other institutions. I'm based out of Aurangabad. Thank you.
Okay, good. Gaurav Mishra, next.
Yeah, hi, I'm Gaurav Mishra. I'm running a buying agency by the name of Quantum Consultants, dealing in apparels and leather, knits and wovens, and also footwear and accessories. Thank you.
Okay, next is Mike Ivanov.
Hi, everyone. Good evening. Mike Ivanov from Vancouver, Canada. I'm the president and CEO of GlobalBox.world. GlobalBox is a newly emerging e-commerce platform, and we help exporters, manufacturers to connect with customers globally, not just in North America and Europe, but pretty much worldwide. So whoever is interested in selling their products globally, please visit globalbox.world and connect with me on WhatsApp as well. Thank you.
Thanks, Mike. Great. Next, we'll go with Nikhil Nandwani.
Hi everyone, this side Nikhil. I am basically from Surat. We manufacture different kind of fabric which are used for sari and all. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Nikhil. Next is Piyush Bhavalpuria.
Hello everyone, this is Piyush Bhavalpuria from AM Glass International. We are manufacturers and exporters of glass artware. These glass artware include hand-cut vases, lamps, tabletop accessories, can be tea light holders as well. And we've been in business for the past 26 years. We cater to brands in US, Europe, primarily France, Germany, and UK. And we Southeast Asia and Middle East, and we are looking to expand our clientele in India as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Next is Prisha Mahajan.
Sorry, myself is Manish Mahajan, and it's my daughter named. She
Achha.
just standard. He just standard.
That's why it's written 4th A in front of it.
Yeah, sorry. So myself is Manish Mahajan, and my company name is SM Impacts. I'm working as a buying agent for Japanese market, and I'm dealing in soft goods and hard goods. Thank you.
Okay, great. Next is Puneet Saxena.
Hi everyone, I'm Puneet Saxena. I'm from Global Silk Route, Rampur, Uttar Pradesh. We are basically exporter of garments, especially the activewear like t-shirts, shorts, yoga wear kind of stuffs. And our main market is US and some in UK and Middle East. And most of the time I reside in Noida as well. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. The next one is Puneet Mata.
Hi everyone, I am Puneet Mata, chartered accountant by profession and being functioning from Delhi. And besides this, I am the statutory auditor of the FBA also. And I am giving some consultancy to the Department of Goods and Service Tax as the auditor on behalf of the Government of India for them.
Okay, thank you. We'll go with Rajat Singhal.
Good evening, everybody. I am Rajat Singhal from RK Impact Science Moradabad. We are the manufacturer, supplier, and exporters for metal handicraft. We specialize in home decor and utilities. We are doing pet items. We are doing kitchenwares like baskets. We are doing wall arts, wall decor, wall mirrors, some essential furniture, and tabletop like lanterns, candle stands, and cake stands. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. We'll go with Rubin Kumar next.
Hello. Hey, hi guys. This is Ruben from Chennai, and I'm a sourcing agent. My company name is Indian Sourcing Company. I do have multiple brand, multiple product I'm dealing it, and I have so many buyers from US and UK. They're directly getting from the Amazon team actually. And thank you so much.
Thank you. Next is Sudhir Grover.
Hello, I'm Sudhir Grover this side. My company name is RMC Services. I'm based in Delhi, running a buying house for a company in Denmark. So basically, I'm handling the home textiles and hard goods, but I'm diversifying into 2-3 more areas right now. I'm working planning for that. The areas are like for food items, agro food items, and also for the hospitality, which is my major strength also. I'm just I've already partnered with 1 or 2 people in Bangkok and Brazil, so I'm working in that direction. Thank you.
Sorry guys, I forgot I could not catch up the person before Sudhirji who's selling to Amazon sellers.
Colin?
No.
Huh?
Was it Colin? Anyway, go ahead, Deepali. Go ahead.
Okay. Next is Tarun.
Yeah, hi. I'm Tarun Narang this side. My company's name is Impact Exports, and we are dealing with high fashion ladies wear, mainly American market, with brands like Free People, Anthropologie, etc. Thank you.
Thank you. I think the last one is Timir Baran Dan. Yeah.
Yes, Timirji, if you can speak up, he's my senior manager. He's handling all the operations in the buying agency. I don't think so he will be able to talk because very poor network in NSCZ area.
Okay. Have I missed anyone from the list?
You and me.
So, okay. Lokesh, you can
And me.
introduce yourself.
Who's left? Yeah, please come in.
This is Naveen from Nirmal Designs. I'm Kundli based factory working in home furnishings and rugs. Main market is USA. Looking to explore more in Europe.
Okay. Lokesh, you can go next.
Yeah, I'll go after you, please.
Okay. My name is Dipali. Although I'm not into any of this area, I am very much interested in getting into exports or doing something of my own, which is why I'm here. Currently, since the last 16 years, I've been into user experience design, and I'm currently working with Publicis Sapient company. It's a multinational company. So I look after the user experience of mobile and web applications. Also worked on projects related to e-commerce, banking, financial investment. So that's my introduction. Thank you.
All right, guys. I think Deepali, if you have time, you should be talking to Mike on his website user experience. If you have time in the breakout session or maybe later on. I had somebody coming up today. We were actually reviewing his website, and we found certain things which were not user friendly. So instead of we as a consumer should be telling, I think you have the apt experience of giving back as an experienced person of how the website should be user friendly and what all he can improve.
Sure, I'll definitely do that.
Before I introduce Ajay, let me introduce myself. I am Lokesh Parashar with the multiple companies, ADK India LLC, buying agency, ADK LLC as a consulting firm in US, Cargo Impacts, Recupex as cargo damage business we have just launched in India as well as globally. And at the Federation, we are your people to go for solutions and opportunity of doing business. As many of you must heard, and you saw the BTS series also. This is today our 78th edition, and we have lined up almost the last edition which we have booked is 104th edition. So we are already having, we will be going to cover almost 100+ events before the lockdown opens, and we will be ready for business. Today I introduce Ajay, and before I can start, let me have small marketing tip to all the buying agents who are not registered members of Buying Federation. Please work on your profiles. Please talk to the governing body members. What are you losing here? Yesterday we were calculating that the benefit you get is almost like 60,000 rupees of benefit you're getting only by paying a small fee. And if there is any doubt you have regarding the federation, why should I become a member? What am I going to get? Please send us an email and we can get back to you shortly. Ajay, go ahead now on your most happening subject.
Welcome everybody. Welcome to a session on legally speaking, as I would like to say it. So guys, friends, we are in between friends. So yes, you can ask any question legally or otherwise, but expect to understand the legal standing on it, on the subject, as to what it means and how it would be helpful to you on that process. So we're going to cover two primary subjects. One is contract, the other is compliances. And before we go, and this will be an open session, so I'm saying everybody is welcome to pitch in, ask their questions, or put it on the chat, and Deepali or Lokesh can read it out to them. And we'll be happy to address them as we go along. It's not a closed way of one-way discussion only. So please feel free to ask and stop me as many times as you want to on the entire subject. The primary thing that I would like you to all understand is the relationship. There are three primary players: the buyer, your buying agent, and the factory or the exporter or the vendor, as it's defined in the wordings and process by the customer, by the buyer. Here I would all say that, you need to all understand that the entire process is initiated by the buyer when it comes to having it on a legal standing. And that is how the entire paperwork is designed and put together. So yes, a buyer would define you as a factory, a buyer would define you as a vendor, a buyer would define you as an exporter or a consignor, but it is at his record, respect, we will have to take it forward. And I'm only going to touch basic subjects so everybody can understand where and what it means and how does it help. So now coming down to what establishes the relationship. The contract is sacrosanct, and that is the only document which defines the entire relationship. Aapne kya bola, maine kya suna, who has heard what, who has said what, who knows who, doesn't matter. When we're talking legal terms, we are talking what is written in black and white, what can be put on the table as a written proof to establish the relationship, to establish the business being conducted, and in between who all are involved. So that is what is required. And I just broke it down to why a few questions that could be key on everybody's mind. So I'm just putting it in that sense. Why are they needed? Because this is how the whole relationship will get defined. If I'm buying carpets, it helps me to define my delivery, my quality, the kind of coloration, variation I can accept in it, the amount of flexibility I will give the customer, the factory in sense of quantity, whether they can give me 100 piece or a 90 piece or 110 pieces, all of that gets defined in the contract. in the agreement, in the purchase order which has been signed, received by you, and signed in the sense of by submitting a performer invoice against it. So that is a proof to the documentation being completed. How does it help? It helps to establish the relationship. It helps to establish the clarity on the entire process. The more the contract is written in specific terms, the better the relationship clarity is established. The lesser the terms written, the more ambiguity in the whole relationship, and then it becomes a matter of contestation as to who contests what point कि ये लिखा नहीं था लेकिन इसका मतलब ये था. Then it becomes an issue. So the more it is written, the better it is for everybody in the relationship and defining it. So in that sense, here we also need to understand what does a buying agent do? And I will go to the next slide first so that everybody in the exporting community understands that by the very term buying agent, we are not supposed to do anything legally for the factory. We are the representatives for the buyer, and we are here to help the buyer in performing his responsibilities or his requirements, match his requirements in India. And we do a lot of things for him. And we work on very different fields for him. And in process, we definitely do some things which work very well for the exporters too. And every one of these points which I've listed will also work in the favor of an exporting community to understand that how we sustain and how do we help. When a buyer asks us what is new, we start working with the factories on a product design basis. We start identifying or sourcing new factories, sourcing new materials, and we help you to bring out the best of the product for the buyer. So it is always happening from that angle of what the buyer expects us to do, researching and finding it in that sense. When we are managing an order, we are actually working with you as your middle level management. We are the ones who are keeping track of your shipment with you in sense of finding it, where it is, what is the stage, when is the raw material getting in-house, when are you going to finish the production, when are you going to get to the next stage of finishing it, when is the delivery going to be planned. So all of those aspects are part of the things which we make you think and get ready for. Similarly, we also help you to establish a price point which works in the favor of getting the order. We may talk to you to explain that the buyer wants this price, but you have every right to say that I can't do it, I don't want to do it, it's not in my cup of tea, this business doesn't work for me. But yes, in that process, the actual pricing is decided or discussed based on the buyer's expectations. Many a times, the factories come across with a new design as their own product, and the buyer can only say that much in sense of pricing. You have every right to say no and take away the item and not give it to the buyer. You need to establish again your understanding in a written format as an agreement or a contract with the customer. So it's a two-way street. It's not a one-way street. We are here to help you establish that. We also help the buyers in preparing the documentation and in process placing the orders with you. Many a times the buyer would like to send in an order which might have consolidated order for 6 factories, 6 different products, all onto one single PO going into one single container, and they have just based it on a container flow basis. So then we will be the ones who will be breaking that order line by line and giving it to each factory that this is your set of orders, these are your set of items, these are your set of items. So that is all part of process of what we do every day in our workings. We also help buyers establish the compliances. We are the eyes and ears to establish the basic understanding of what a structured organization should look like and what is the expectation in the international community. Now, buyers have a right and they will always establish a third party to manage it, but we are still there to monitor it. So we are not managing it. SEDEX might be doing it, BSI might be doing it, but we are helping them to establish the process. Next, we would also be helping them in consolidation, shipping, in their travel planning when they come to India, and managing their relationships with different people. It might not be only just the exporting community, but it will be also ancillary services like the testing laboratories, like your shipping agents. All of that comes as part of a relationship management that we help them do. And of course, we also help them manage their quality standards and problems when they arise. So it is all from the perspective of helping to facilitate a cohesive energy between you and between an exporter and a buyer on the other end, and establishing the relationship to work. Now, this is, as far as I would say, what contracts are supposed to be covering in a broader term. Now, any question at this stage I can take before I go to the next section of compliances.
Ajay, this is Piyush here. Just wanted to understand, will you be covering at any point in your presentation about the contracts that the vendors eventually enter with the client?
Like I said, each client will have his own understanding on what the contracts are supposed to be. But if you have a specific question in regard to what that contract means.
I'd just like to add, because this is from my experience as a lawyer. So I'd just like to add to what you were saying. That's it. If that's fine with you right now, or we can add it later once your presentation is done.
See, I would not go into an exact, I was thinking of actually listing out the points and concerns, but then I thought that, you know, it would be wrong of me to impose what I think is right on, or suggest what I think is the right when a buyer might be thinking something else. So I think the discussion should not be taken in or misconstrued in any other way.
No, not at all. Not at all. It was.
So the relationship is always sacrosanct between the two people who are having it, and the agreement between the two will always be different. It could be a case-to-case basis. It could be a standard agreement which somebody might want to follow for all his customers, all his vendors. But then it could also be like a case-to-case basis, depending on a different relationship for a different customer, giving some leniencies in some cases and not giving the leniencies in the other cases. You know.
So there were just a few points that I'd like to highlight regarding not regarding any issues that I think we as exporters and you as buying agents and the buying community per se, or the service community per se, should keep in mind while entering into a contract. We can discuss this once your presentation is done.
No, this is the part. This is the time. Go ahead. Now is the time to discuss contract. Next part is compliances.
Okay, so there are just a couple of things. One was design licensing. So what needs to be seen is, if you have your own product which is being given to a client, please, as an exporter and as a buying agent, please look for a clause where it talks about design licensing. If you're licensing a design, tomorrow you cannot go retract and say, tomorrow a vendor cannot retract and say that, hello, I did not license my design, or I did not allow this person to sell this in a particular market. That's one. Second is exclusivity. If you are creating a design in the house, but if a buyer is asking for an exclusivity on that particular design, as a vendor and as a buying community, one should understand and one should focus on that fact, whether that particular design is kept exclusive for that particular customer. If yes, then as an exporter and as a vendor, we will not be allowed to sell that particular design in that particular area.
All right, guys, I have to stop you here, Piyush and Ajay. Ajay, I think we made a not a wise decision of clearing two subjects in one topic. I will not advise you to take compliances today. It's 8:45 already there. It is a good topic to cover next week. You can always come back. That's exactly what we are doing here. And third thing, Piyush, we are going to cover design and legal as two aspects in the next, that has also opened a subject for us, that how do we manage designs between the buying agent, buyers and exporters.
Okay. All right.
Ajay, I would request you to stop the compliance here and let's take the compliance in the next event.
Not a problem. I can do that. That's not a problem. We can finish it on contracts. I will here add to what Piyush is saying or put it in a different term.
Yeah.
Any contract or any design contract is valid only to the extent the sale has not happened. Once the sale is happened, the rights to the design have moved from the exporter to the buyer. Now it is up to the buyer. The buyer might have bought just 100 pieces from you and may go elsewhere to buy the next 1 million pieces. You have no right to question it because you have sold the design and now it belongs to him. You may take it to any legal level of courts, but then it's all about how you position.
Unless they are protected by you.
IPR laws do not support that in an international transaction.
All right. So let's, Gaurav, you want to say something?
Yeah, in connection with that thing, do I understand, Ajay, that if I was to go into a boutique in Delhi, some high-level boutique, and buy a garment from there and have a receipt of it, and I can duplicate it into numbers and sell it? Plagiarism does not apply there?
Sabyasachi tried it many times, but Sabyasachi dress still sells and he can't do anything else. It sells in Karol Bagh, he knows the address and he will give it to you himself.
I'm talking about the legal. I'm talking about the legal aspect. I can go to the Rohit Bal showroom, pick up a garment from there and make the 10,000 pieces. And
legally speaking, the right has been sold to the buyer who has bought it. Now, what he does with the dress and how he positions it, it is all about how he plans it. Now, it is all in the contract. How you have written your contract, how the contract has been written.
No, there was no contract. I bought it as a customer.
No, then you have no rights. Then you have no rights because you are just a customer. You are a consumer. You are supposed to consume it. You're not supposed to remanufacture it.
Okay. Just wanted to make that clear. Okay,
yeah.
Thank you.
Any other question related to what Ajay has just presented? Gaurav, your lower hand, please.
Yeah.
Anybody else? Or I can start the next session of 15 minutes. I would need 5 minutes to start that session. No questions to one. All is clear. Wow. Ajay, what a concise presentation. None of the exporters have any question?
Okay, one more question.
No, it's a problem.
Yeah, one more question, Ajay. Ajay, which country does this contract apply to? I mean, like if it was signed in India and on Indian documents, can a buyer sitting in Australia, raise this based on the contract, raise it in the Australian court?
So legally speaking, what do you want? Legally speaking, are you fighting a case?
Yes, I am. I mean, like,
hold
on, Piyush, hold on. Yeah, go ahead, Ajay.
Fight a case against the buyer, then you need to go to the buyer's country and fight it there, because that's when the rounds happen. But then you need to again reposition your rights and see how the paperwork is drawn. If you have written in there that the jurisdiction belongs to India, then the question is closed right there. That
I need a clarification on this. It has just happened. The lockdown happened, so things have not moved beyond that. The importer in Australia is also an Indian, known to me from before, and he has he went into a contract with my factory, and I was mentioned as a buying agent there. Things didn't work out properly. Some issues happened. That's regardless. Now he has sent a notice from the Australian court to the factory directly, based on the contract that he had in India on an Indian document. So how do we counteract that?
That is a legal case level. You will have to take it with the legal lawyers. We have 2 lawyers here in home.
Okay.
Yeah, let's take it to a break room session. If you want to go back to Vishal's break room.
You can do it on break room session.
Piyush, you want to add something quickly? Muted?
No, I'm good. Thanks.
All right, guys. So let me bring you the house rules and what we are going to do now. I repeat that in every session because every time some new people are here. You're welcome to come early before the scheduled time for better networking and stay longer as long as you want. This room is open almost till 9:30. And before, after that also, if people want to stay back, I can make somebody a host and you can carry on. As we already said, we are showcasing the factories, already lined up factories till May 1. Facebook Live is going on. You can check the other videos before all the events are there. Please bring some help in the room for some people here. Always don't come for seeking help. This will be a short-term gain for you. A long-term gain is come back to give something here. We're going to have a breakout session at 9 p.m. You can send an email. You can write your email in the chat box if you would like to be interested in selling to domestic institutional buyers, India and globally. Recordings are available on request to anybody. We have 2 sessions, 12 noon and 8 p.m. Now 12 noon sessions, we are now breaking up into expert authorities. We are bringing logistic people. Please mute yourself. Who's there? Okay. So at 12 noon, a couple of days later, we are going to bring expert authorities on HR policies, the logistics, the kind of challenges we are going to face. So everyone, there will be a one-on-one webinar with the expert authority, and then there will be open questions from the audiences. And 8 p.m. already told you is for marketing for exports. Any category, any industry can come forward. There are sessions on managing cancel orders. Please look at the BTS events. And if you have any questions regarding your cancellation or any question you have regarding the buyers, please post that on the event so that we can take it up at the time of the event. This is going to be the biggest dispute sector where a lot of discussion will be needed, and case-to-case basis as well. At what stage the contract was saying, what stage the goods were there, what was the date was told. So there are a lot of ifs and buts in managing cancelled orders. Ask your association to engage with federation. If you think that we are making any value, we're giving any value to an individual, we would be giving it a broader perspective of engaging with in a bigger webinar where we have 24, 25 buying agents sitting at one time here, and for 30, 40, 50, 100, 200 exporters on the other edge. We are coming up with a B2B networking also, which is called a e-delegation among the buying agents as buyers and exporters. And in the very next future, buyers also here, because we don't see them traveling for next almost like 6 months. So we are creating platform where we can bring the buyers, and you guys and exporter can come in. It will be an e-delegation. It will be a paid, I would say, event. And we are working on the modalities of how we create business as on today without traveling. That's it. I think create a nice profile. Yeah, that is something which I've been sending the email on the BTS. If you cannot make a good profile and you're thinking that I can sell, no. We are bringing a lot of other specialized businesses here, like guys who make good videos. They're coming here. They would be telling us what the new way of marketing has to be. So let's get prepared on at least having the right connections of who do we hire, what do we do, what technology we have to be actually attuned to. This itself as a session is a training session for many of us, including me. I never learned this before. Download the Meetup app. It's very user friendly and you can be updated on all the events. And the last federation is a stepping stone. This is where we are driving the whole conversation, that please use the platform for networking. Please use the platform for helping the community, whether they're exporters or buying agents. When you are going back to businesses, this room is not going to be closed. Of course, we don't do a daily one, but we'll be coming back with the exciting offers. I throw open the forum now for any questions, anything anybody wants to ask anybody else. We have almost 2 minutes before we finish. And then we break out in the rooms. Anybody has any questions?
If I could just make one brief interjection, I just wanted to invite everybody tomorrow at 8 p.m. to attend the session that we're going to do on Global Box. If anybody is interested in positioning their products, both internally.
Yeah, you can say you can tell about that. I missed it.
Yeah, so I would be pleased to invite you guys all tomorrow evening at 8 p.m. IST. We will have a session on Global Box and how Global Box can help you position your products both in the domestic market as well as in exporting those products worldwide, not just in particular countries rather, but pretty much worldwide. So look forward to seeing you tomorrow. And please remember there is a competition between Ajay and myself, and whoever loses is gonna buy the beers. So.
Okay, Mike, I think you need to add that people have to use the same link. You won't be sending a separate link.
No.
Yeah, the same link.
Yeah, I mean you
No,
won't be
the
sending
link is going to be same. There's no change in link.
That's just wanted to add there. That's it.
But I think what would be important is for people to register, so that Lokesh can track exactly who's coming there, and I think that's the main thing.
Dipali, are you okay with the breakout with Mike for 10 minutes?
Yeah, sure. I can do that. Yes.
All right. Anybody else wants to have a breakout room with anybody else?
Lokesh, this is Kapil. I need Bhavna Singh and Manu Singhal.
Bhavna Singh and
Manu Singhal.
Can you guys say yes to the request?
Yeah,
Yes.
sure. Yep.
What's the merchandiser?
Lokesh, I'd also mentioned to have a word with Mike, if possible. Anika. Hello. Lokesh?
Yeah, Mike and Anika and Dipali are going in one room.
I want to go with Mr. Gaurav Mishra and Sudhir Groverji.
Hold on, sir. Hold on. Let me finish one room. So you
Lokesh
said,
also add me with Mike.
hold on. Anika, Dipali, and Mike. Where is Mike? Here's Mike. Okay.
Me also, Punita also with Mike.
In the same room?
Yeah.
Punita. Okay. All right. And now the next request, Bhavna.
Yeah, with
Kapil and Manu Singhal.
Kapil, Manu Singhal, and Bhavna in room number 2. Kapil, Grover, and Manu Singhal. Anybody else?
Oh,
Yeah.
Rajat.
I want to go with Gaurav Mishra ji and Sudhir Groverji.
Gaurav and Sudhir ji, are you ready?
Yeah. I'm okay.
All right. Room number 3 for Gaurav. Rajat Singhal ji. Sudhir ji, okay? Are you there, Sudhir ji? I don't think so he's there. No, he's not here. Anybody else?
oh, I will like to go with Mr. Manish Mahajan.
Rajat ji, I've already sent you. Accept the request.
Okay, sir, I'm going. I'm leaving the room.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sorry, Rubin, you said something?
Lokesh, Himanshu this side.
Himanshu, yes.
Yeah, I will like to go with Mr. Manish Mahajan ji.
Manish, are you ready?
Yeah,
You are
I'm
muted.
ready. Yeah, I am ready.
Manish with
Excuse me.
Manish with what will Himanshu, right?
Yeah.
Room number 4.
Lokesh, I would like to connect with handicraft manufacturer. Is anyone
Handicraft manufacturer.
Mhm.
Who's left? Manish, please accept the request. Himanshu, please accept the request.
Okay, I can wait for them. Actually, no worries.
You're Colin, right? Or you, Ruben?
Ruben.
Okay. I can put you as a host here so that if I leave, you can still stay back. And Rajat ji, please leave. Don't leave the room. Come back to the main room to talk to Ruben. Well, I have to go to his room to tell him. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
So please, can you send me the room details again? Because somehow I could not put the room.
Room details. So
Yes, sir.
in room number 1 is Mike from the Global Box with one buying agent, 2 buying agents, and Dipali, who's the UX designer who takes care of the website user interface.
With Bhavna ji and Kapil ji, I think.
With Bhavna and Kapil, you want to go?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Manu Singhal.
Manu Singhal. Okay, room number 2. You're there. Please accept it.
Lokesh, me with Nikhil Nandwani.
Nikhil, are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Room number 5, you and What's your name?
I am Puneet.
Puneet. Okay.
Saxena.
Puneet Saxena. Right.
Yeah, with
Room
Nikhil.
number, 5. Ajay, you want to stay back? We will talk something in this room.
Sure.
Who else? Neeta? Bhavna, you want to stay back? We can talk together. Bhavna is gone.
Okay, I'm there around if you want.
Neeta is here. Ajay is here. We would like to be here. Colin, you want to wait for somebody here?
I can wait, Lokesh.
So you're going to wait for people to go join back and then request them to stay back for you?
No, it's okay. I can join back tomorrow.
Sure.
We'll talk about it. Yeah. All right. Thanks.
Sure. Thank you.
All right, Lokesh ji. Ajay ji.
All right, Piyush. See you on Tuesday morning.
Bye, sir.
Well, anyway, you're coming back tomorrow, I think.
I will be.
Thank you.
Bye.
Ruben, how about you? You want to go back to some other room?
Yes, I want to go with the mic actually. I have
Mike.
some question actually. So
Mike
maybe I
is
can-
in the first room. Okay. Please accept the request.
Yeah, sure.
Anil, you want to stay back or?
Lokesh ji, Himanshu this side. So
Yeah.
there was some error in connecting with Mr. Manish Mahajan ji. Can you retry?
Okay. Move to Manish Mahajan is in which room? Hold on. Let me check. Manish has actually left. He is not in the room now.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. Maybe it's tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Anil, I'm removing you because we are going to have a meeting among the Federation people. So let me go there and remove Anil now. Anil, thank you for coming. We see you tomorrow morning. Vishalji, you want to stay back? You're muted.
It's fine.
No, we
Hello?
can talk about Bhavana and on all the other things if you want to stay back.
Yeah, no problem. मुझे problem नहीं, no problem at all.
अजय जी,
जी सर,
वो मेंबरशिप वाली चीज निकालो जल्दी से यार.
क्या निकालो जल्दी से?
यार प्रमोशन निकालो. मेरे पास तो कॉल आ रही है. वो कह रही थी कैसे क्या बेनिफिट दिखाओगे. अभी आ तो जाएंगे लोग, आ रहे हैं लोग, लेकिन कन्वर्ट नहीं हो रहे हैं. उनको वो चाहते हैं आना लेकिन कन्वर्ट नहीं होंगे जब तक आप उनको बेनिफिट नहीं दिखाओगे.
कल उस पे काम करता हूँ. आज तो मेरे इसी में दिमाग निकल गया सारा.
हाँ, आज तो खैर लंबी मीटिंग थी, 2.5 घंटे उसी में निकल गए.
तो कल उस पे काम करता हूँ एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली शेयर दैट विद यू.
नीता, आपका जो प्रमोशन रेडी हो गया, आप शेयर कर रहे हो कि आपको मैं आज प्रमोशन भिजवा दूंगा.
ठीक है.
आप लोग जोड़ो, क्योंकि जितने लोग जोड़ेंगे उतना बेटर है हमारे लिए.
ठीक है.
हमने एक्सरसाइज की इसलिए है कि लोग मोस्ट ऑफ द एक्सपोर्टर्स और एनी कम्युनिटी मेंबर हु वांट टू जॉइन दे शुड कम हियर.
ओके, I'll do that.
विशाल जी, आपसे भी एक्सपेक्टेड है कि यू शुड बी स्प्रेडिंग इट टू मोस्टली ऑफ द BNI मेंबर्स एज वेल. आई हैव in fact my chapter there will be 7 people coming in till the lockdown is closing.
Okay, where sir? Where?
आपके चैप्टर में कोई लॉजिस्टिक्स का है आदमी?
हाँ बिल्कुल है. आशीष रंजन साहे है.
तो उसको बोलो हम 28 तारीख को सेशन कर रहे हैं. ही कैन कम एज ए लॉजिस्टिक्स पैनल.
नहीं, डेफिनेटली आएगा. आप भी जानते होंगे मिथिलेश झा जो है उसी का पार्टनर.
अच्छा, मिथिलेश. हाँ, तो मिथिलेश को बोलो आए.
मैं बोल देता हूँ, अभी कल ही बोल देता हूँ मैं.
हाँ, we are having a logistics session on the 28th. We are talking about because that's the biggest problem we have. ये लॉकडाउन खुलते ही जब माल निकलने शुरू होंगे तो पता नहीं कौन माल कहाँ पड़ा है, कैसे जाएगा. कोई पोर्ट पे रखा है, कोई कहीं है.
लोकेश जी, एक ट्रांसपोर्टर भी है मेरे ग्रुप में, बट ही लुक्स आफ्टर डोमेस्टिक, बट वेरी गुड कंपनी. उनको भी ला सकता हूँ.
डोमेस्टिक. अजय, you do you think it can add some value?
हाँ,
ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैक्ट्रीज के काम आएगा और कुछ नहीं, लेकिन हमारे लिए तो
वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग.
उनको देखो नेटवर्किंग करनी है तो उनको 8 बजे बुलाओ या एक्सपोर्टर आते हैं.
8 बजे बोल दो ना. ठीक है, मैं बोल देता हूँ.
8 बजे का इनवाइट दो उनको आप.
ठीक है.
एज एन एक्सपर्ट का फायदा नहीं है, नेटवर्किंग में फायदा होगा.
ठीक है.
आप एक काम करो विशाल जी, एज ए BNI मेंबर बोलूंगा अपनी ई कैटलॉग मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर दो. मैं देख लेता हूँ आपके मेंबर कौन कौन से हमारे काम के हैं.
इन्होंने ई कैटलॉग भी बनाई नहीं है.
क्या बात कर दी यार.
अभी तक नहीं रेडी हुई प्रोलिफिक में.
अच्छा.
और जो दूसरी है ना, मैं उसका क्लिक करके आपको फोटोज.
हाँ, दूसरी की मुझे फोटोज भेज दो. दूसरी की फोटो भेज दो.
कर देता हूँ.
वैसे तो मैं BNI कनेक्ट पे देख लूंगा यार. वो तो मुझे चैप्टर का नाम मिल जाएगा, वहाँ सब चैप्टर मिल ही जाएंगे.
प्रोलिफिक है. प्रोलिफिक में देखो.
चलो मैं देख लेता हूँ मैं.
हाँ
ठीक है जी, चलो सर मैं फिर मैं ही रुकता हूँ क्योंकि होस्ट मुझे बनना पड़ेगा। अजय तुम निकलो, मुझे प्रमोशन अजय मेंबरशिप प्रमोशन चाहिए बहुत अर्जेंट यार।
ठीक है जी।
हम वी आर लूजिंग एक्चुअली, हमने इतने दिन निकाल दिए अभी, हमें वो रोज की प्रमोशन है वो तो।
लोकेश जी किस किस को बोल सकते हैं प्रमोशन के लिए, थोड़ा सा मुझे आइडिया दो आप।
Sir, anybody who has a business interest with exporters, importers, international market, logistics, freight forwarders, printing, packaging, lawyers, CA, chartered accountants, taxation.
ओके
देखो रियल एस्टेट का हमारा कोई काम नहीं है।
नहीं है बिल्कुल नहीं है।
ठीक है ना जी। आई वुड से अगर मैं अपनी वीडियोग्राफर कोई हो अच्छे, फिल्म मेकर कुछ अच्छी हो, अब कोई हीरो प्रैक्टिशनर मुझे नहीं चाहिए, वास्तु नहीं चाहिए मेरे को,
नहीं ऑब्वियसली नहीं बिल्कुल।
तो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हमारे ऑपरेशंस के जो लोग हैं ना, जो हमें हेल्प कर सकते हैं और उनको धंधा मिल सकता है,
ठीक है।
हम उनको बुला रहे हैं। हमें पता है कि अभी टेक्नोलॉजी काम आएगी। अजय मैंने वेब टाइगर से बात की है, अजय लेफ्ट एक्चुअली,
अजय जी तो चले गए।
तो मैंने वेब टाइगर हमारे साथ में चैप्टर, उसमें काफी ई कॉमर्स की वेबसाइट करता है, इज अ वेरी प्रीटी बिग टॉप 10 कंपनीज इन टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ ई कॉमर्स। तो मैं उसको बुला रहा हूँ एक दिन। तो एनीबडी हु हैज अ बिजनेस टू टेक फ्रॉम द एक्सपोर्टर्स कम्युनिटी, इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी, वो इंटरेस्टेड है, वो उसको आना है हमारे यहाँ।
ठीक है।
कोई एक्सपोर्टर हो, कोई मैन्युफैक्चरर हो जो एक्सपोर्टर बनना चाहता हो, वो हमारे लिए ठीक है।
ठीक है। एक मैं लोकेश जी कहूंगा फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ मेंबर्स ऑफ एफबीए, जैसे गौरव जी ने, मैं तो इंटरप्ट नहीं किया मैंने जानबूझ के ना अजय जी को ना उनको, जैसे आज जुरिडिक्शन में फिर कंफ्यूज हो रहे थे।
हाँ
तो किसी दिन आप मेरा सेशन करवा दो, आई वांट टू।
आपका सेशन दोबारा करवा देते हैं जुरिडिक्शन पे।
पॉइंट क्लियर। हाँ नहीं, फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ मेंबर्स मुझे चाहते
हैं। बिल्कुल करा देंगे सर, बिल्कुल करा देंगे।
अच्छे समझे
आपका सेशन ना अभी जो हमने अभी तो और बेटर कर दिया।
इंटरप्ट करूं।
हाँ हमने अभी क्या कर दिया, फोटो आप भेजो मुझे बड़ी क्लियर अपनी, और नाम और कंपनी नाम भेज दो, मैं प्रमोशन रेडी करा दूंगा आपकी।
चलो ठीक है, क्योंकि जैसे आपको जुरिडिक्शन आपको क्लियर है बिल्कुल, यू नेवर आस्क, तो मैं चाहता हूँ इनको मेंबर्स को भी ना क्लियर
बिल्कुल फिर से एक बार कर देते हैं जुरिडिक्शन।
Lokesh, you don't mind to correct me again? I don't know what was happened actually.
Sorry, Ruben, hold on. Ruben goes in which room?
Room number 1, Mike. Yes.
Room number 1. Okay. Well, all breakout rooms are anyway coming to close in 20 seconds. So I don't think so there is a point going there back. It's just 20 seconds more they are going to come back. I can't break the room now.
Okay, it's okay, no problem.
You can wait and let him come back, and you can go back to a different room if you want to do it individually.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Just wait for 7 more seconds.
This breakout room is only for one.
Connect with me any
breakout room. You want to go with Vishalji Gaurav for have some legal issues?
Yeah. That's why I came back.
Okay, I will open the rooms again.
Okay.
And I'm sending. I am sending. Where is the name? Okay. Shall you are assigned to room number 4, and Gaurav, I'm making you the host as well because I will leave and you guys can carry on with the meeting.
Lokesh, can I go there?
Yes, you have to accept it.
Click okay.
Yeah, you have to click it. Gaurav, you also click room number 4. All right, guys. All is done, or anybody wants to go into some different rooms? Who's left? Rajat, Mike is left. All right, I will actually make. Bhavna, are you back?
Lokesh.
Are you back, Bhavna?
Yes, I'm back, Lokesh.
Yeah, what happened?
Nothing actually. I just wanted to know about, because one of the exporter, I know, is a good friend. So I just wanted to talk to a couple, like for the future business opportunities for him.
Kapil has, I think, gone.
Yeah, I had a word with him.
Oh, you had a word, okay.
Yeah, I spoke to him.
Lokesh ji, is Sudhir Grover available here?
No, he has already gone.
Okay. Sudhir ji, can you please explain something about...
Sudhir is not here in the room, sir.
Okay, he's not here.
It's only me, Bhavna. Anika, are you here? Anika is also not here. Manu Singhal is here.
Manu and I can always talk.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we are leaving.
Yeah, yeah. Bhavana, you and me will be talking, so you stay back. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay, okay. Good night, sir.
All right, sir. Good night. Thank you.
Good night, Bhavana ji.
Good night,
Good
Manu.
night. Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. हाँ जी.
हाँ जी, मुझे एक्चुअली में ये जो पूरा जो शिपिंग का है ना, वो अंडरस्टैंड करना है that we are inviting all the shipping agents, logistic people. तो
देखो हमने 5 लोगों को बुलाया अभी, 4 का नाम हो गया अभी, 5 को 4-5 ही कर लेंगे ऐसे हम. हाँ. बस हो गया खत्म. तो एक तो आपकी ना पिच आपको ठीक करनी है.
बताइए.